So this one's a super easy way to play Go With The Flow by Queens of the Stone Age. It's just 3 chords, and you can do it on an acoustic. So, first of all, we're in standard tuning. The original tune is not, it's in C standard, so you have to faff about by detuning a guitar 2 whole steps. But you can play it in this position, right? So we have E major, these are just 3 chords, right? E major. The next one is C. And then the next one, I would play an A sus2. You could do E minor. Back to E major. And you can just play 8th notes. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you change to the C. Do that for 1 bar or 8 8th notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Change to the A sus2. Back to the E major. Okay. Or if you're not really comfortable with strumming just yet and you just want to play the chords, just do that. It's a good one for practicing changes and just keeping in time with the song. So you just have 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, 3, 4. A sus2, 2, 3, 4. And going through the fingering, we have 2nd finger, 3rd finger, 1st finger. Then you go to a C, standard C shape. Here, you leave your 2nd finger where it is, take your 3rd and 1st off, and then your 3rd finger goes down onto the 2nd string. And I'll bring my thumb over the top here to mute the E. Because then you could strum it if you wanted. And then these 2 come down 1 string and the 1st finger goes on. Now, you can also do alternate strumming, which I would recommend if you're just starting. So let's do that together, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. It just cycles around like that for the whole song. Now, if you want to fill out the C chord, rather than playing, and again, you probably want to use your thumb to mute that low E, right? Because then you can just strum away and not care what you hit. But first 2 fingers stay the same. But if you put your little finger on the C and your 3rd finger on the G, it's both on the 3rd frets there, you can strum the whole thing. And again, you can cycle around it like that. So again, that would be. One more time. And that, folks, is it. I hope you enjoyed it. See you soon.